Village settlement. Emergence of a stable society. Man learned to do many new jobs related with farming. He cleared land for farming. He erected bunds to block water. He did many other things like plowing, sowing and reaping. A single person could not have done all these things by himself. So for farming on a large scale, people came together. They began to depend more on one another. They realized the importance of cooperation. This led to a feeling of affection and unity. This is how a stable society emerged. Building of houses. Farming made it necessary for men to settle down in one place. To do so, they had to build houses. These houses were of different types. Some houses had thatched roofs and wattle and daub walls plastered with mud. Some were round in shape. In some places, houses were built even in lakes. These houses were supported by wooden poles planted in the lake. They were connected to the shore by a wooden bridge. The birth of a village. People started living in houses. They started farming with one another's help. People started living in harmony in village settlements. Their houses were built close together. This way, guarding houses became easier. These shelters were safer for both people as well as domestic animals. The growth of village settlement. The village was like a big family. Older people in the village were respected by all. Everyone obeyed them and worked according to their advice. When man began to farm, he had to do many more tasks. One man alone could not do all of them. In the course of time, these tasks got divided among men. Now, there were craftsmen engaged in different occupations like making and repairing wooden implements, weaving cloth, making pot and so on. People in a particular occupation did the same kind of work all the time. So they began to produce better articles and implements. Farming too improved. Settlements grew and so did occupations. Some villages grew larger. They changed. Some of them developed into towns.